What an amazing time. The tigers, the wild dogs, the leopards, we had an amazing time. And the bears. What do you go?
We concur. No, it's not. No, it has been brilliant. Our first time in India, and the staff in Native Safari has just been amazing. Copal was absolutely the highlight. It can.
Yes.
And she knew those as well, didn't she?
Yeah.
She knew like her stuff. She was funny, and everyone for doing it for us.
And the memories we'll be taking back will be factual.
Yeah. It has been unbelievable, and we've loved every minute. Loved it. And now we got to go home.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.
As well.